Top tips for proper care of your dog. We all love to ask for advice. Sometimes we ask about our children, or a house repair, or even financial situations. Asking for advice about dogs is also great, and this video is a perfect place to start. You'll find a ton of tips which really change how you view your dog. If you're taking your pup on a vacation, make sure that you take a picture of him on your phone. In the event that he gets separated from you, you have easy access to a current photo to put on flyers that will help identify him. Your dog needs a stimulating environment if it is going to live a long and healthy life. Providing him or her with one is not really that hard. Simply make sure you take your dog for walks each day, and purchase a few toys that you and your pet can play with together. Research a particular breed of dog you may be interested in before bringing him home. Lots of people make the mistake of falling in love with a type of dog, then find out later that the animal isn't really for them. Chihuahuas, for example, are a trendy type, but very difficult to fully potty train, especially in colder climates. It is important for you to take your dog in to see the vet on a fairly regular basis. Just like humans, dogs can develop health problems like toothaches, arthritis and weight gain. Do not wait until you think your dog is sick before taking him in to be seen. Since you asked for advice, and now have received it, the next step is to put it to use. That means truly implementing what you have learned and then enjoying the rewards it brings. When you see your dog sleeping peacefully, bliss on his face, you'll appreciate putting in the effort. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.